Hey there, welcome back to the series on AI for testers. Now, if you missed our previous session, then we talked about how we can use Copilot to generate automation test scripts with any language or framework. We use Selenium and Java, and we could generate this from our manual test cases. Now, moving to our next use case, we are going to talk about how we can easily find software bugs in any application using Copilot. Now, we'll look at two different examples. One is a demo application, and then we'll look at a very popular travel website, and we'll see how Copilot can help us easily find bugs in these applications in a matter of few seconds. So let's look at our first application. This is the demo application, which I've been using for different videos and sessions. So this is the sourcedemo.com. And then as we know, it is an e-commerce website. And if we log into this particular website, and we can go ahead with the checkout process, right? So that's the application all about. Now, in order to find software issues or bugs in this particular application, I can start with a simple prompt in Copilot, and it can help me find software bugs. So let's see how we can do this. So this is a very simple prompt. I'm asking Copilot to perform a full bug sweep of this particular website. And then I'm asking it to find bugs across functional, usability, performance, and accessibility categories. Now, if you fall back into the area of software testing, whether you are a functional tester or you are a usability tester or performance tester or even an accessibility tester, right? The main goal of your role is to find bugs in the application to make it bug-free and deliver the application to the highest quality. And so that's the role of every tester, no matter in which type of testing is going to perform. So I'm going to tell Copilot that find bugs across all these different testing types. And then for each bug, it will generate a structured report with these different fields. Now, this will help me to basically create bugs in any bug platform using these details. Right, so let's go ahead and let's put that prompt into Copilot and let's see what Copilot comes up with. Okay, so as you can see, it has started listing down some of the bugs. It has got the bug ID, the title, the steps, expected actual results, severity, priority. It is even providing you the environment and some notes, right? So this is the functional bug. Similarly, we will have different functional bugs, and then we will have usability bugs, and then we have performance bugs, and then we have got the accessibility bugs, right? So we have got all the different types of bugs, as you can see, and I can even ask it to create it as a downloadable report, right? So that I can either share it with my team or I can even convert it or import it into any platform where you report your bugs like Jira or any other bug tracking platform. So as you can see, it has given me this bug report, which is in a docx format, and it will list down all the different bugs in the particular format which we have asked for it to report, right? So it's a complete report, and you can even ask it to include screenshots if possible, right? And all of this in a matter of few seconds. Now that was impressive. Now the next scenario is even more interesting, right? Because we are going to try and find bugs in a very established and popular website like Booking.com. Now, if I go ahead and tell you to spend some time and find some software bugs, you are going to struggle to find any defects in this particular application because it is already thoroughly tested and it is running live for the users, right? So you expect it to be of the highest quality already. So if you go ahead and try to find defects, you might fail to find any. But if you tell Copilot to look for any existing defects or the trends of defects, and then try to find some issues in this particular application, it could come up with some issues, right? So let's see if it can. Now I'm going to use the same prompt, except I'm going to change this particular website to booking.com. Also, an interesting fact is I didn't have to navigate through all the pages of the application to actually find those bugs, right? So Copilot did it on its own. It navigated throughout the application and then it found out all the defects in the particular application. So now let's go ahead and do the same for booking.com and let's see if Copilot can actually find some defects. Now, as you can see, it has actually found some defects or bugs, right? So we have got a functional bug. It is related to verification code, login failure. And here, as you can see, the priority and severity is pretty high currently. And this is reported frequently by users, right? Also, we have got the booking confirmation not received after payment. So that's a very critical bug. Then there is incorrect name on airline ticket. Again, high severity bug. Similarly, we have got some usability bugs and performance as well as accessibility bugs. Now, as expected, the list is not that big or not that long compared to our demo website because of obvious reasons, right? Because this is already being tested and it's already been released to the users. But the fact of the matter is a Copilot can actually find defects in any application in a matter of few seconds. Now, this might take a senior tester maybe a day or two to actually go through the whole application, run all the scenarios, and then find out all the different issues in the application. But as you can see, it accelerates the whole process of finding bugs. It is very fast and it is very efficient. Also, it makes your jobs a lot easier. Now, this is one of the very interesting use cases of Copilot where you can use it to find bugs in your web application. You just need to provide it with a proper AI prompt and what type of bugs you want to find, and then what kind of format you want to find it. You can even give it a template and then ask it to follow that particular template to report your bugs so that you can then easily import it into your bug tracking tool. So that's all for this particular session. In the next session, we'll come up with another interesting use case. Now, if you don't want to miss out on all the upcoming videos on AI and testing, then do subscribe to our channel. Also, do let me know if you have used Copilot for any other use case which you found interesting. Do let me know in the comment section.